welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the audio element. The audio element in Zeno allows you to easily add audio files into the page. Here I have an audio element on the page. Let me play the audio. On the left sidebar, you will see the options the audio element has to offer. First, we have audio URL. You can use any audio URL here, or click on Choose Audio and upload the audio file into the page. Next, we have loop option. You can enable this to make the audio loop when it finishes playing. You can adjust the width for the audio element. If the width is less than 100%, you can align the audio element to the left, to center, or to the right, like this. Go to the Advanced tab. You can toggle on and off visibility for the audio element on desktop, on tablet, or on mobile. You can adjust opacity for the audio element, add a background color for it, or a background image. You can enable box shadow and even animations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.